There are so many writing jobs online. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you one. This particular one I'm going to show you is just by writing Captcha. I don't know if you know what Captcha is. Captcha is just like you rewriting what is being displayed above or around you. And in this particular writing jobs, you'll be timed for it. That means you need to fill out the Captcha or the text that is required for you before the time elapses. As a proper introduction, before I proceed with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joaquin, and so what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. It is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online, which I cannot share here on this channel. You can find the links down there in the video description. As you can see right there, it says earn money without registration fees, daily payments. Alright, Captcha entering work. So this is a platform where you fill in Captcha and you get paid for it. You can see start earning. So when you come down here, you can actually see that this is a Captcha earning platform. Alright, so you actually have to fill in Captcha to be able to earn on this website. As you can see, various history on this website. Alright, so once you're on this page, the next thing you want to do is to come up here where you see this hamburger icon. Click on that. You're going to see the sign up and the login. What you just want to do is to go over to click on sign up. Alright, so once you click on sign up, you're going to be inputting your details right here and you're going to continue this process. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be creating a new account in front of you. So right now we're going to input the email address right here. Then we have to input a password. All right, so I'm just going to be inputting my password right now. So once you have actually inputted your password, you have to confirm your password. All right, so once you have confirmed your password, the next thing is to come down here and click on I agree to the terms of service and privacy. Then click on continue. Then automatically you'll be brought to this interface where you have to select this appropriately. It says click on the moving rabbit. All right, so in this particular options, we have this rabbit moving. So we have actually gotten that. Now they said click on the moving chicken. So we just have to select the moving chicken. This is actually the moving chicken. So you select this. So you have actually successfully created an account for yourself. So right now they said please enter the confirmation code sent to your email address. So right now you can start a confirmation code has been sent to us. So we have to head back to our email address, copy that confirmation code. So right here on my account, this is the confirmation code. I just have to copy this confirmation code, then go back to my account, then come down here and paste that confirmation code just to confirm I am the rightful owner of this account. So right on this screen, it says I am a worker and I am a customer. So there are two ways you can actually start up on this website. You can actually start up as a worker where you get paid for putting Captcha on boxes that are available to you, and the other way is also to become a customer. As you can see, I am a worker. I want to earn money entering text from the images and withdraw my earnings to my online wallet. And the other one says I am a customer, where they said I need to bypass Captcha automatically and I am going to pay for that. I will need the API key to set it in my software. So we are actually signing in as a worker. So the next thing you want to do is to click on next under I am a worker. So this is actually your account. Now to start earning as a worker on this Captcha platform, the next thing you want to do is to go down to where you can see start work. So once you click on start work, it's going to bring you this interface where it says to earn more funds, please use our app for Android and Windows desktop. You will be able to solve Captcha with higher rates. You don't actually need this. All you just need to do is to cancel this, then click on start. You will need to take a test on this Captcha writing before you be able to start earning on this website. All right, so once you actually come down, you can actually see the details of this website. As it says, please specify your language knowledge level in form below. That will allow us send you Captchas written in your language that you know better, and don't send Captcha in languages that you don't understand. All right, so now they said level fluent means that you can read a question and write the answers. Level: know the alphabet means that you can type letters shown on the images but can't read and understand a question written in that language. Don't choose languages that you don't understand. If you will do that and don't solve Captcha in that language, then your account can be banned forever. So it is advisable you go through all this and understand. All right, so now they said I speak this language, which is English. Then you just need to come down and click on save. So this is the process of you setting your account on this website. So now you just have to close this whenever you see something like this. Now this is the part where you just have to come down and click on start work. So you're actually getting to start work on this website. So right now they said welcome to Captcha. Here you can earn money entering text from images, but first you have to complete the training. It's fast and easy. You see the image that contains text of 8950. Just enter this text and click send. So this is exactly what you'll be doing on this website. All right, so this is the particular text they want to input before the seconds elapse. So we are going to put 8950, then we have to click on send. So this is actually what they want you to do, and you are being timed for this. So you just have to continue this and you get paid whenever you're done doing this. As you can see right now that the timer is left with 24 seconds. So you need to fill out this before the timer elapses. So you just need to click this green button and another text will be shown to you. You just have to be a fast writer on this website. All right, so once you are a fast writer, you can be able to earn money for yourself. So without doing this, you can't earn on this platform. All right, so this is what we just need to do before you get paid on this website. Just need to input the Captcha and more Captcha will be coming. So right now let me go ahead to show you how you can get paid on this website. So this is actually a new account. You need to finish these 16 steps, which is 3/16. So you need to finish these steps to be able to start earning on this website. So right now let me go out to their payout option so you can see how much and how you can get paid on this website. So right now you can see that your available balance is on $0. Right now this is an important information. You can only order payouts of your earnings, funds earned for Captcha solving, referrals earnings, and earnings transferred from your other account to get back mistakenly deposited funds requested a fund. All right, so now they said please note that payout to PayPal, Western Union bank accounts are not available and will never be available. So note this, you will be able to request for your first payout 7 days after registration. Also note this, now you don't have any hold, you don't have any pending payment, you don't have any available funds, you don't have any minimum payout amount, and your wallet is just empty because you are a new user. So you need to go back to take that particular training. So once you are able to complete this training, you will start earning on this website. You can't actually skip the training on this website. So once you navigate over to this section, you can actually see your dashboard, the support software and blog. So once you head over to your dashboard, you can actually see the details of what you have been earning on this website. It is an easy website that is user friendly. You can also come down to check your financial statistics and you can get to know more about your account. All right, so this is something that you can actually start now and start earning for yourself. So once you come down here and you also go down to this drop down, you can actually see that you can also be a developer and a customer. A customer does not earn on this website. A customer only send in what he or she wants to do. All right, so once you come in as a developer, you can also come in to do some certain works on this website. All right, so for the sake of this video, we are only coming in as a worker because we want to make money with this website. So like I said, once you are able to go over to your dashboard and click on start work, you will start earning on this website once you are able to finish the training that has been assigned to you. So that is all about this website. Once you come down here, you can actually see the breakdown of what you need to know and all what you need to understand about this website. So that is all about this website. I hope you got value from this, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. And also I will advise you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where you can get some daily tips on how you can make money online, which I cannot share here on this channel. You can find these links down there in the video description. Thank you for watching this video and see you on my next video. Keep winning.